concert day. Right, so I have a collection of butterflies about here right now, and it will grow. I'm going to have my breakfast. The kids are at school today, luckily. They're back, they fixed the water. I'm gonna have my breakfast. I'm gonna do a little bit of work. I have to do my PDF for my lesson. I don't think it's not required because it's a bonus lesson, but I always like to do a supplementary PDF because it's nice. It's nice to have something kind of like printable or solid that isn't a video, you know, because videos do require like time investment. So I'm gonna do that. Then I've got therapy at 12, and then after that I will no longer be capable of doing anything until I go out. Hello, I'm out of breath because I just ran upstairs. I'm just quickly up here to take some pictures of my sketchbook so that I can insert those into the PDF. I already took pictures, like pretty pictures, but I need some kind of functional pictures so that people can use them as templates. But what I wanted to do was, first of all, just want to show you, I've got 2 options for my outfit for tonight. By the time you've watched this, I will have chosen because the concert will have happened, but I just want to show you what my intentions are. I haven't decided yet what I'm gonna wear. So the dress code is black with a bit of tasteful sparkle. So these are my dress options. This is just like a just above the knee, I think. Kind of lacy type of dress, which I actually wore last year, so I would be wearing the same thing if I wore that. And this is a longer dress with the red, and like it's got some bunnies on it. I don't know if that's allowed. And then I've got a glittery black kind of chunky scarf, or I've got like a glittery black, you know, very thin scarf. Seeing this, I'm more tempted with this with this, or that with that. I don't know. I don't feel like this is... I really like this dress, but I don't feel like it's quite right enough. In any case, I'm gonna take both and I'm going to consult with my friends and ask them what they think. I asked Andrew, but that didn't really go anywhere. Anyway, oh yes, and there was another thing I wanted to show you, which was the junk journals that I completed yesterday. So I had such a nice little session making junk journals. I really enjoyed it. So I ended up making 3. I ended up making, this one is for myself because it's got some papers in that have got like my name and address on it that I had saved to make a junk journal out of. So that one I'm keeping for myself. And then I created this one and this one, and I'm going to be putting those into my shop at some point once I've taken pictures of them. But yeah, so they're just like this folder with just random different types of papers in it. And what I like about it the fact that I get to reuse things that I would normally have thrown away, like random stuff that you get in the mail. I put my sticky envelopes in there for my sticky subscription, book pages, paper bags that you get in shops, leaflets, all that kind of stuff. And then what I really like is how all of the pages are like different sizes. So generally it's kind of an A5 format. So like that would be A5, but then some bits will stick out because they're slightly bigger. And then some bits, like let me just find an example, like this one, it's kind of like a little page in between. So you can either have it belong to this page with a little flap, or you could do something in this like kind of standalone. So yeah, I really like that kind of mishmash, haphazard format of the junk journal. Makes it feel extra kind of junky. So yes, that's what I wanted to show you, and now I'm gonna go and take those pictures. Right, I'm ready for my concert. No, I'm joking. I'm ready to get on my bike. There's my bike somewhere, to cycle to the church, and yeah, let's go. I've arrived, and I'm currently on my own in this very ornate room where we're getting ready.
quick check-in. We're doing makeup.
Hi.
I'm stuffing my face because I am starving. We just finished rehearsal, which went really well.
It did go really well.
It was really long. Jesus,
Yeah.
I was just so hungry.
Hence me frantically doing eye makeup.
I know we haven't got a lot of time. We've got like 20 minutes. I know Andrew's already queuing outside. Bernie has a solo as well.
Yeah, first one. We're
Yes,
so brave.
Yeah. So I'm in my dress, with leg warmers as well,
Looking fine.
and Mario socks, and I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff my face, and then we're gonna sing in a minute. This is Sarah. There is sound as well, you know, like you can talk. Great face, really good face, yeah.
She's saving her voice.
Oh, she's saving her voice. Oh, yeah, like clever.
Absolutely.
Really clever.
Very good.
Not as clever as me. I mean, more clever than me.
Yeah,
That's
cleverer than us.
Cleverer
We got
than-
rabbit on,
yeah.
rabbit on, rabbit on.
Yak, yak. We're ready.
So ready. I thought it was a picture, so I just started smiling. But we're ready. It's very
Ready.
exciting.
Yes.
It's gonna be sing-songy.
It is. I don't. You can do the words. I don't have any words right now.
It's gonna be bright, Christmassy, and empowering,
And sparkling.
and sparkling underneath the stars.
While I strip.
Oh.
Oh yes.
yeah.
You can be stripping in the background. That's fine. We're okay with that.
This next song jumped out at me for its wit and its intelligence and its sheer bloody rage at the injustice and the inequality that our mothers and our sisters and our girlfriends and our nieces feel every single day. This is The Man by Taylor Swift.
Every conquest I had made would make me more lost to you. I'd be a fearless leader. I'd be an alpha type. When everyone believes ya. What's that like? I'm so sick of running as fast as I can. Wondering if I'd get there quicker if I was a man. And I'm so sick of anyone at me again. 'Cause if I was a man, then I'd be the man. I'd be the man.
From the back stalls, we just want to tell you that you were fantastic, Iris, and we really enjoyed your performance. Do you enjoy it, Zafar?
Yes.
Enjoy it, Steph?
Very good. Very
Jupiter was even filming it, weren't you? You've got 2 camera angles on your performance, one from me and one from Jupe. See you a bit later.
us in the pub.
Still in one piece.
Yeah.
I know. Thank God for lip balm.
Yeah, put the lip balm on. Yeah. This is like prime vlogging footage. It's currently 2:26 in the morning. And I just got in. And it was an amazing night. And Teak was here to greet me. Oh, you being cute. You being cute. You purring. I'm gonna go to sleep and have a lie-in tomorrow, I hope. Alright, so this is actually the end of the vlog then. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye!